Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to turn on the Data Saver feature in the Facebook app. This feature is perfect for saving mobile data by reducing image sizes and stopping videos from autoplaying. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the main menu. Now scroll down until you see the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on it and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down to the section called Preferences. Here, look for an option labeled Media and tap on it. In the media settings, you'll find an option called Data Saver. Tap on it to access its settings. Finally, enable Data Saver by toggling it on. This will reduce the resolution of images and videos, helping you save data while using Facebook. And that's it. You've successfully turned on Data Saver in your Facebook app. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from saving their mobile data. Thanks for watching.